Just do not with me. Huwag na tayo magbulaan dito. I'm saying this without excuses. No apologies, no nothing. You like to hear it? Fine. If you don't, so be it. That's the truth. So tayong magbulaan, alam ninyo yan. They abound, the vultures, pretending to be journalists. Ang problema dito, every son of a who claims to be a journalist makes money out of it, milking money, extorting money from the people, and he is killed and is glorified because he's a journalist. It's not only in other professions. Police, do not ever think that you are in a field of purity. Tama magsalita kayo din Islami for what? God. You must be joking. You must be joking. If worse comes to worse, then we'll have just exposed each other. If that is the threat, sinabi ko na sa mga I can lose the presidency. My life, honor, just do not with me. Huwag ninyo akong takot. Boycott kayo. Di mag-boycott kayo.